Today we are discussing this remaining part of the regression, that is estimation, prediction, forecasting, and interpolation in regression. When you have to perform a regression analysis, you come to a regression line. You find a regression line, that is your final answer in that case, that you have to find a regression line. But sometimes it is also written that predict or forecast the value for some given value of independent variable. Remember students, a student was asking me on WhatsApp that whether to put this hat on the estimated line or not. This hat denotes the estimated value. When you solve your question and you reach to the final answer, you can write hat over the dependent variable. This is saying that this is not the actual value, but this is the estimated value of x on the basis of this line. अगर ये आप hat इस पे put कर देते हैं तो ये आपको estimated line की symbolic representation है. But if you don't put, it's okay, it can, but you should understand that this is the estimated line which is based on the data which were provided you to the क्वेश्चन इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो एस्टिमेट हैट का होना या ना होना जस्ट ये सिंबलाइज करता है दैट यू हैव एस्टिमेटेड द रिग्रेशन लाइन. दिस इज द एस्टिमेटेड मॉडल. ओके, नाउ दिस वॉज योर मॉडल. इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन यू हैव फाउंड दैट मॉडल. अब आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ x for a given value of y. Suppose there is a question that what is the value of quantity for price equal to 10. Quantity was x as you remember and price was y. यहाँ पे आपको price की एक particular value दे दी है 10. You have to find the value of x for the given value of y. So आपने क्या करना है, मॉडल में simply 10 put कर देना है and you will get the value of x. और ये फिर आपकी estimated है, you can put a hat over it which is showing that you have estimated this value by using the model. Now ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ मॉडल आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो दिस इज़ योर फाइनल आंसर. बट इफ़ यू हैव टू इंटरपोलेट और एस्टिमेट द वैल्यूज, देन यू हैव टू पुट द गिवन वैल्यू इन द मॉडल to find the estimated value.